So my name's Lee Crawshaw.
And then how did you hear about us?
I just visited a Makers Market and I saw Andrew and his team, and it was a week time of my life, and I just thought I'd go and ask him questions if Alan could help me.
So what?
Other leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left ear to left shoulder, no problems there.
Still achy but not as bad.
Balls there, back to middle, turn your hip to the right. Good. Check which direction to adjust it. Be specific, push out the.
I had a really stiff neck, which was aching body, and weakness in the arms, and we lasted a good 10 years, maybe longer. Fatigue,
Headaches and stuff
headaches,
like that?
migraines, just generally feeling rubbish.
Back here, there's just density of neuroreceptors is huge. So obviously that's why also you want less fat in the body, because it actually not only builds toxins, but it's got no feedback to the brain. And the both arms out towards me, hold strong, push up. It's stronger when you do that. So I want you to do it again, but I want you to count each red one. So don't let your eyes follow down, just count each red one.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, both arms out towards me, hold strong, push up. Strong on your and breathe. Drop shoulders, drop shoulders. So.
Had about 8 or 9, I think.
And do you feel like it's made a difference?
Yeah, big difference, yeah.
How so?
I feel got more energy, I'm not aching as much, I can turn and my job's easier because I'm not hurting all the time.